Thank you for staying with Checkpoint. Leaders and various stakeholders have continued to criticize the new Social Health Authority, explaining that the transition from NHIF to SHIF has been met with challenges affecting patients seeking treatment at various health centers. Now they called on the implementation of policies that lower the cost of living, provide equitable access to basic services, and prioritize vulnerable groups. This report was prepared by Noel Nabiswa and voiced by Finnick Olwach.
Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka has called on the government and the Ministry of Health to discard the new health system SHA, which since its official rollout has been met with several challenges, highlighting that the system has few benefits if patients are seeking care. Speaking in a church in Nairobi where he was accompanied by other leaders, Musyoka said that the system has led to difficulty when patients are looking for treatment as compared to NHIF.
National, they call it social health assurance or social health something. Ni kama anataka kubadilisha jina. It is not enough to change the name, Mr. Ruto. You have to go back to NHIF. Ni kwa sababu umeenda hospitali hakuna dawa.
On his side, President William Ruto insists that every Kenyan must have the opportunity to get health treatment, urging more Kenyans to register in the system.
Hatua ya kwanza kwa mambo ya afya ni wewe ujisajili. Uende pale, ijulikane majina yako, mahali unaishi, watoto wako ni ngapi, ndio tuanze kukupangia mambo ya afya.
At the same time, Deputy President Kithure Kindiki has said that the new health system will help the poor to get treatment and bring equality in society while assuring Kenyans that the system will work.
Right now, as we speak, those with chronic illnesses and emergency cases, they are not having a lot of problems.
The Ministry of Health says the challenges currently being witnessed in the social health insurance system will be resolved soon to enable every Kenyan to get treatment easily.
Kuna changamoto iko, lakini sio kusema tumelala tu bila kutatua zile changamoto ziko kwa system. So tungewaomba wananchi wa Kenya na aswa nikiwa hapa mbele ya Mungu na kanisani, tushikane pamoja, tushikiliane, ndio tuweze kufanya mambo hii ya afya katika hii nchi.
Kenya remains committed towards the realization